All right, YouTube and Facebook friends, this is the last look at our log loader grapple dump trailer. This is an AM 714 1400 with a JMS 170 log loader arm on it. The buyer is on his way. We took it over to the shop and did a little spit shine on it. We'll touch up paint here and there, not too bad though. Came out pretty nice. Just give you one last look here if you haven't seen it before. This is a Honda GX 390 power pack. There's the Lovejoy and the pump, hydraulic reservoir. You can always give us a phone call. That's my personal cell, 570-690-4051. The corporate number is 833-SPLITTER and 775-4887. Give you the overall look here. Big barn doors on the rear of it. Ladder ramps that store underneath. We do have 6 D-rings inside the body. No, that is not a spare tire. I kind of bungee corded that in there because that's where I set the grapple in the stored position, and that way it doesn't bounce all over the metal floor, making a mess and being noisy. And when you store it that way, it is 11 foot 7 inches high. Tandem axles, electric brakes on both axles. There's the ladder ramps. Makes it a nice tray all the way in. I don't think we've even ever had these out of the trailer, which is one of those options that we said, why not? We'll bring them in. Leaf spring suspension, Dexter axles. This is the dedicated battery for just the breakaway system with the electric brakes. Your big junction box for all the LED lights. It is a tube steel frame, or square stock frame, I guess. It's all welded together. There's nowhere for the sand or salt or anything to build up on, rust out like the usual I-beam or a C-channel kind of frame. It is all heavy-duty construction. Got a nice mirrored finish there, I must say. It's the safety store arm for the body when it's up. Telescopic cylinder in the front. There shouldn't be anything that this won't pick up. I was just on the phone before with somebody asking about the installing one of these on their own trailer. So that's the setup for the log loader itself. You see that third leg kind of kicking down here. That just kind of helps keep everything upright. Mounting plate down there on the central frame. Otherwise, we'll put like a big ring here that mounts into like a gooseneck or something. Standard controls. So the 2 short ones here are your downriggers. That's your grapple, open and close. This is the raised lower valve for the dump trailer. I guess it's a safety thing is what they were telling me. They put the trailer jack on, but why you would ever use that when you have hydraulic downriggers, I'm not sure. Maybe she ran the motor out of gas. But again, AM Machinery 714 1400 log loader trailer. The numbers do stand for 7 feet wide, 14 feet long on the deck over. The 1400 means 14,000 pounds. That's what that all stands for. Again, lots of options on this one. The 24-inch tall mesh the whole way around, the ladder ramps, the D-rings, the upgraded Honda motor with the electric start, and the fold-down sides on the driver's side. That panel comes down, that panel comes down. I've got the other videos out there with those actually working. So anyway, give us a phone call, send us an email, all over Facebook, YouTube, of course. And it's sales@shaverequipment.com. Or you can post a comment here. We'll get back to you either way. You contact me. We'll definitely get you a quote. We do ship nationwide. And you're always welcome to pick up our in-stock stuff here in northeastern Pennsylvania. Thanks for watching. Talk to you soon.